So guys, how to make smooth slow motion in CapCut? It's really simple. As you can see here, the left one is really choppy and the right one is smooth. And both of them are 30 frames per second. Bring the footage to the timeline. As you can see, my footage is 30 frames per second. Let's select our clip, then go to speed. Suppose we want to make our video 3 times slower, so 0.3 or 0.33x. Now if we play it, as you can see, it's totally choppy. So what's the solution? Check smooth slow-mo. This may take some time. As you can see, processing depends on your PC configuration. Click on the drop down and optical flow. What's this function doing? It's mainly generating fake frames for us because we are making our video 3 times slower. So it's covering the extra frames with fake frames, and that's gonna make it more smooth. Let's see. See, it's more smooth and clean. So guys, that's how easily we can make a slow motion video in CapCut. Thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.